Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to access your WordPress dashboard. First, ensure your local server environment, such as XAMPP or MAMP, is fully operational. Next, navigate to the folder where you installed WordPress on your computer. Within that installation, you will find the essential WP admin directory. This directory contains the core files needed for your administrative interface. Getting these initial steps right is crucial for a smooth start. Once your local server is active, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type your site's local URL, immediately followed by /wp-admin. For example, if your site is in a folder named My WordPress Site, the address would be localhost /mywordpresssite/wp-admin. This direct path takes you straight to the login page for your WordPress dashboard, saving you several clicks. Upon reaching the login page, you will need to enter your credentials. Type in the username or email address you registered when you first installed WordPress. Then, carefully input the corresponding password you created. After entering both pieces of information, simply click the Login button. If your details are correct, you will be granted access to your administrative dashboard, ready to manage your site. If you encounter issues, start by verifying your local server software, such as XAMPP or MAMP, is running without errors. Next, inspect your WP config. PHP file in your WordPress root directory to ensure the database connection settings are accurate. Sometimes, clearing your web browser's cache and cookies can resolve unexpected problems. These 3 steps address many common access difficulties, helping you get back to your dashboard quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.